Buksan po natin ating Biblia sa Matthew chapter 13 verses 44 hanggang matapos. Verse 44. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like treasure hidden in a field, which a man found and hid, and for joy over it, he goes and sells all that he has and buys that field. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a merchant seeking beautiful pearls, who, when he had found one pearl of great price, went and sold all that he had and bought it. Again, the kingdom of heaven is like a dragnet that was casting into the sea and gathered some of every kind, which when it was full, they drew to shore, and they sat down and gathered the good into vessels, but threw away the bad. So it will be at the end of the age. The angel will come forth, separate the wicked from among the just, and cast them into the furnace of fire. There will be wailing and gnashing of teeth. Jesus said to them, "Have you understood all these things?" They said to him, "Yes, Lord." Then he said to them, "Therefore, every scribe instructed concerning the kingdom of heaven is like a householder who brings out of his treasure things new and old." Now it came to pass, when Jesus had finished these parables, that he had departed from there. When he had come to his own country, he taught them in their synagogues, so that they were astonished and said, "Where did this man get this wisdom and these mighty works? Is this not the carpenter's son? Is not his mother called Mary, and his brothers James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas? And his sisters, are they not all with us? When then did this man get all these things?" So they were offended at him. But Jesus said to them, "A prophet is not without honor except in his own country and in his own house." Now he did not do many mighty works there because of their unbelief. Sa unang dalawang parable na nabasa natin ay tinuturuan tayo na ang taong tunay na mapapaniwala sa halaga ng kaligtasan ay isuko lahat para makamtan si Kristo at ang buhay na walang hanggang. Ang dalawang taong sa dalawang parable na ito ay kumbinsido na natagpuan nila ang bagay at may dakilang halaga. Tulad ni Mateo at ni Pablo, ang lahat ng mga bagay na ay inari nilang kalugihan dahil sa higit na kahalagahan na makilala si Kristo Jesus na Panginoon. Nakikita nila na si Jesus ay endless treasure, isang precious pearl. Makikita din natin sa third parable na sa iglesia may convert at hindi converted. Hindi tunay na mananampalataya at tunay. At sa katapusan, ihiwalay ang masama at mabuti. Babala din sa atin na members ng iglesyang ito na maari na sa loob tayo ng lambat, pero wala tayo kay Kristo. May paghihiwalay ng mabuti at masama, at mayroon dagat-dagatang apoy na para sa masasama. Mababasa din natin na si Jesus minaliit ng kanyang kababayan. Hindi ba ito ay anak ng karpintero at ni Maria? Si Jesus puno ng wisdom na may kapangyarihan din na gumawa ng milagro sa bayan niya ay nalimitahan. May kasabihan, familiarity breeds contempt. Sa mga wala pa kay Kristo Jesus, sa pakikinig ninyo linggo-linggo, hindi sana ito magdulot ng pagdududa. Sana ang isipan ninyo at puso ay hindi mabalutan ng kalyo.